Just put it in my cabin, please. Thank you, ma'am. How do you like your sauerkraut?
Salty.
Salty. Good, now the camera can see both of you guys. Mostly Dad.
Mostly, right? He's pretty handsome.
But he said mostly you.
Alright, wait. Don't, just leave it. Whoops. Yeah.
Erica said that she planted chamomile last year or the year before, but it didn't come up again. She said the frost killed it.
Hey boys, there's a lot of poison ivy, so please pay attention. Yeah, you can pick mulberries, but I don't want you getting poison ivy, so watch. Sweet. So this is probably, I'm videoing, by the way. I don't know, this is probably 5 pounds of cabbage. I do not pay any attention to how much salt I use. I just do enough salt. So I just put on a generous amount. And then I let it sit for a minute, let it start pulling out some of the juices, and then I massage it for a little bit. I'll show you. My main goal is that it's a little bit saltier than I actually want my cabbage. And then it seems to always do great. Okay, so this is, you can see it's starting to get moist. The salt's pulling out some water. And this is when I go to knead it. This is 4 heads of cabbage, by the way.
The cabbages are real bigger than that. That's going to shrink a lot.
It's going to shrink a lot, and it should fit in our crock. If we can find it. It's in storage. What?
I would snitch it.
You would snitch it? You like to eat cabbage, don't you? Because this is green cabbage and purple cabbage, it will probably be kind of gray. Last time Patrick did it, it was just a light purple, so maybe I'll look out too. But I'm getting purple fingers. It is so hot.
You just said that in the video.
So, I'm going to, my sauerkraut's here. It's trying to get a little softer, but I'm also making this poke, which you've seen, and I just squeezed out as much juice as I could. Yeah, it tastes good. Hibiscus concentrate in spicy water, bubble water. So that's all chopped up. I was cutting onions and cabbage on here, so I have a little bit of that on my table. That'll wait till I have a boy come back to open it. But it's really, I don't know, if you like spinach artichoke dip, it's super easy. It's kind of windy, I don't want everything blowing off. Hey Nay, hey Mac, I need you. Can you pop these open and drain them for me? Thanks, bud. Thanks, sir. So that was probably 2 cups, 3 cups of spinach or pokeberry, poke weed. I don't use recipes, so I'm going to do, I'd like it to be about a half cup. Okay. Oh, I'm not done with that. I'm using Jarlsberg. Okay. So my cream cheese is still hard. I didn't bring it out here soon enough. But you know, I just do what I want, I guess. I'm excited to see if my children that are very pro poke like this dip as much as they like it sauteed. Yes, sir?
What are you doing?
Well,
Doing a video?
yeah. And I'm making this dip. What do you think this looks like? Good, bad, or ugly?
I thought it good. I don't remember us made this before.
We have, but it's been a year or two probably.
Yeah.
And you might not remember it.
It tasted gross when I had it before. And that tastes good.
You don't have to like it, bud.
Oh wait, it's the same thing that was in it.
Yeah, this is the pokeweed.
Where's the poke?
All the green in here is poke.
Even this?
That's cabbage.
Oh, they had cabbage too. Why only poke weed? Why only poke weed?
I think it might be actually cooking now. That's cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a second. Don't let any bugs get in it. So here's my top leaf that I was gonna put in my,
I know what you want from it.
I was gonna put it in my crock, but it's apparently buried in storage. Nobody can find it.
Taste this. That's all making me choke, kind of.
Some of it's salty, some of it's not.
Yeah. This is not salty.
No, that one wasn't salty. So why did the salt make you choke then?
Well, the salt. It was that one salt that I ate a salty one.
Let me see. It says quite a bit of water in the bottom. See that? Look at all that water.
Oh yeah.
What color is the water?
Blue.
Blue. Can you sprinkle the top with salt so I don't have to get a bag wet?
Why do
Go a little bit slow and try to spread it really well.
you want all of it salty?
Get the middle.
Get this piece.
Okay, perfect.
What's that?
Oops, I buried that. I didn't notice that. I thought I pulled it out. That's pretty funny. Alright.
I don't want these salty ones.
Like I said, I just go for a little saltier than you actually want.
They're salty to both of them. It kind of tastes too salty to me.
Yeah, that's what you want.
I
It
want
kind of
too
loses its salty flavor a little bit when it's...
I like this. Smells good. Smell it. Mom, smell it. Smell it. Is it good?
Yes.
We never made this for a long, long time.
It's been a while. So what is this making? Do you know?
I don't know.
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut?
Sauerkraut.
I'm gonna eat some too.
It's nice and wet. I have a kraut pounder somewhere. Not sure where. Malachi makes them on his lathe and sells them. And I think
Malachi
mine
makes
is
them
in
for us.
storage.
can't make some for us to
Yes,
keep.
he did make us one to keep, but I'm pretty sure it's in storage. I haven't seen it.
We did give Blake a thing.
Yeah, but that wasn't a sauerkraut thing.
What did it? I said, oh yeah, she might. I was trying to, might do. I was shy of saying Blake instead. I didn't want to say it.
Oh yeah.
And so like, kind of.
But you like Mike and Blake.
Yeah.
Okay, well don't eat any more. Let me finish making it, and then you can taste it when it's ready if you want to.
I'll put them down there.
Oopsie.
Nice and flaky. Oh, so nice and flaky.
Nice and flaky. Thanks for giving it a thumbs up.
You're welcome. I'll give it a thumb down and a thumbs up.
Woo.
Okay, but not mean it's bad. A
Thanks,
thumbs
bud.
down. A thumbs down means this is kind of gross, but good.
Oh, you're talking about the dip or the sauerkraut?
No, the dip. It's kind of gross and good. That means
Growing up, the main way we ate sauerkraut was Reuben's. Didn't eat much of it otherwise. I feel like there was a casserole or something, but it wasn't like a side at our table. But for us, we pull it out one to two meals a day probably when we have it. And I need to get back in the habit of keeping it because everyone here likes it. Hey, look, my fire started. My fire started. I'm making a mess. My rocket stove had burnt out, but I figured there was probably still enough coals to start another fire because it was still warm. So I dropped in a bunch of my son's wood shavings from making spoons and some sticks. And I didn't think it was going to take off, but it did. This is compacting better than I expected. Don't really think it's going to need any more liquid. I think it'll put out enough on its own, but let me get this one.
look, I found in the shaving box.
That's a nice one.
It's a nice stick.
You can use the spoons in my artichoke dip if you want to stir my onions for me. Oops.
I made it stay up.
These are going to overflow, so I'll have to set them in a tray. Hey Tom, do you want this piece of cabbage?
No.
Okay, this one is what I don't need. Okay, so these, I'll keep it loose so it doesn't blow up, but these will go in the cabin probably for a week, and then they'll move to the fridge. They will definitely be on a towel or a something. I just want it to burn long enough to cook those onions. Thank you.
The fire's going out
Okay. We don't need any more sticks than that, but you can. That one's on fire. Don't pull it out. Well, just stick it back in there. Just let it burn. Okay, but you gotta stay back too. Also, that lid can fall on your hand and it's hot. Don't put any more in there though. No, because that's more than we need.
Do I take all these boxes away with the sticks?
You put all the sticks in one box and then take it into the barn for me.
Sticks in one box? Ooh. See, video me doing this. Is it videoing me?
Yep.
I could add one more, two more. Two more, then we're gonna dump all of it. To do enough. Oh look, sawdust.
There's a lot of sawdust.
Yep, here's one that fell. That homemade me, but it's okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh, it's good. It's okay.
Oh yeah. The little crummy stuff we'll just dump.
So even that stuff?
No, we want the sticks. But all the sawdust we're not gonna take.
And the stick. Okay, dump all this.
Yep. Dump it, but not in the driveway. Dump it on the down the hill. Thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
You're a good worker.
Thanks.
Okay, it's actually recording now.
We added more salt in case the last video we did didn't work, but it's very good. I forgot garlic. It would have been even better. But I think that poke is a lot more mild than spinach, and it doesn't have any of the bittery weirdness that spinach has.
We should have added crushed up crackers.
Crushed up crackers. We probably could have, like they do on macaroni and cheese sometimes.
No.
Yeah, and baked them on top.
Could not bake them on top.
That would be a good addition, probably.
With some butter.
Some.
Mm-hmm.
It would taste real good.
Yeah, I
You're good
think
to
it
make a spicy version
We
too
did.
with
Bunch
jalapenos.
of- Oh,
That'd be very good.
bunch of crackers. Put some ice cream in. Right in there.
Oh my, I don't know about crackers and ice cream.
Oh wait, and cookies. Not mine.
Then you would have melted. But if you haven't tried poke yet, I recommend it. It's
pretty good.
one of my very top greens. I would say
Come on,
Gotta think through the grains.
Eat some poke
Yeah.
with us.
nettles and poke are two of my very favorite. Do you want this?
Azariah just said, come to our house and you can eat poke.
That's true. You
Hiya.
want to say see you next time?
See you next time.
Say it really loud.
See you next time.
Bye.
Sorry.